Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing space and laying out every part so you can work fluidly. Once done, confirm 2 people are ready. Lifting frames alone makes alignment harder. Sort bolts, washers, and tools by size and read the headboard attachment notes in the manual. Now position the side rails near the mattress area and loosely attach one rail to the headboard with hand-threaded bolts. This lets you adjust alignment. Make sure components sit flush. Don't fully tighten yet, because you'll need movement for the next steps. Once the frame sides are connected, fit the center support beam and its legs. They carry most load, so align them to floor level. Then place slats across the rails, keeping even spacing. Use a 1/2 spacer or the included guide for mattress warranty compliance. Fasten slats with supplied screws but leave a little give for settling. Now check the frame is square by measuring diagonals. Make small shifts if needed. After confirming squareness, torque bolts to the manufacturer's spec, so everything is rigid, and to finish, lift the headboard into position. Have your helper hold it steady while you align mounting holes. Insert bolts with washers and hand thread first, then tighten incrementally to avoid stripping or warping the frame. Attach any decorative caps or trim and fit leg glides to protect floors. Test the bed by applying weight and checking for wobble. If it rocks, tighten connections or add a floor anchor. Troubleshooting tip: if holes don't align, loosen nearby bolts. Realign parts, then retighten. Forced bolts cause damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.